What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's Sunday, it's race day. We're down here at 710 Dragway. Free entry, 28 by 10s. That sounds nasty back there. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see in a second. I'm sure he's in that race. We got my car here. Bryan is over here. Ryan brought the Fairmont. Shannon Young is way down there. Coleman Heath is down there. They've also got Street Invaders today, so we're gonna have fun today. We'll see what happens. I'm on slicks. Bryan's on slicks. Shannon's probably gonna be on radials. Coleman's probably on radials. It's probably gonna be a good mix. Generally, they do a pretty good job on track prep here, so slicks may be a problem for me. I might just have to put a bunch of air in it and see if it works. All right, guys, check it out. Y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go hit that join button. Go to turbojohnracing.com and get you some t-shirts. Thank you. First round shakedowns. Yeah, it's good. We're gonna have a good time today.
Yeah, man.
All right, so we just called up. They just called up second round of testing. So we skipped the first one. It's cooled down. It feels like it's cooled down about 80 degrees. Bryan's went straight down. His was a rocket. He let off a little bit past half track. Ryan over there, he was struggling, so getting everything ready to go. So he's ready now. So he's gonna ride up there with us. Randy's gonna hook up and gonna push mine up there. I was just gonna show you my boost curve. We're gonna leave on 12 PSI. See, we're way down here at the end. We're at the ticket booth. I ain't never been down this far. It's kind of nice and quiet. But we're going to leave on 12 pounds of dome pressure. Should leave on about 8 pounds of boost. We're going to have us a pretty good ramp in there. 3.9 seconds, 50 pounds of boost. It'll make probably 39, 40, 42 pounds of boost. All right, let's try it. All right, guys, here we go. This is our first shakedown. We got T-Wayne up there. We're gonna go down side by side. All right, let's go see what happens. first shakedown went okay. I'm gonna show y'all the time slip. Since Terry Wayne, he blew tires off and didn't come down beside me. I'm gonna just show y'all what I run. It wasn't super fast. It was not a rocket. 509, 148 mile an hour. So my power was pretty strong. But looking at the data log, let me pull the data log back up real fast. Pulling the data log up, it left on 5.8 pounds of boost. But look at my traction control. That thing pulled a bunch of timing out right there, and that's why it nosed over. I'm fixing to turn that stuff completely off. Passed it, run pretty good. It made good dome pressure, got full boost at 4.2 seconds into the run. I had 50 pounds of dome pressure. It made 39 pounds of boost. So that's about what I was figuring it would run. So, I mean, that wasn't bad. That was a decent, that's what a mile per hour is pretty strong. I mean, the mile per hour was up there. It was a little weak early. So we're going to see if we can, speed it up a little bit and early in the run. They just called us for first round. So we're fixing to do first round now. So Randy's back there packing the parachute. We just got everything cooled down. Everything is, it seems to be okay. I drove it back from down there because Randy was up there taking video. So we're ready to go. The only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the computer with me, but the only thing I'm gonna do is turn that traction control off. And if I draw my buddy Bryan, then he's gonna get more boost and a shorter ramp. If I draw anybody else, it depends on who it is. So we'll see. All right, here we go. First round coming up. We got first round coming up. We had 6 cars, and then now we're down to 4.
Go around us and let us get suited up.
I don't know if y'all waiting on first round. I'm gonna let y'all.
You just showed them all. You want to do them again?
Are we ready? Am I drawing first?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's go.
Hold them down.
All right, here we go. We got the draw.
There's no buy, so like.
I want to buy.
I want that one. We'll buy it today.
There ain't no buy. Go ahead.
Probably about the same car. Every time.
Hey, you gotta stop your cussing, man. We're gonna have to edit that now.
What's the lane choice?
Now we can't use that for you. Good job. Black.
Are you freaking kidding?
3 races in a row.
Every time we draw Bryan, and look, I was joking about it down there. I said I've already drawn Bryan.
Which lane you want?
No, I mean that's just happening every single time. Every time I draw Bryan. Every single time. It's just, I mean, we ain't got. Hey, we're in the semifinals.
Yeah, this one's the whole.
See how the winch in there? He's got a winch.
On this side.
I bet it hit the wall down there hard.
Yeah, it was pretty solid. I mean, it practically nose straight in almost.
There were parts from all
Yeah, pretty much ricocheted off.
Bro, that sucks.
I was watching you go by. I'm like, please get around me.
Bro, you were out there, and I grabbed the scramble. I mean, that's why I grabbed the scramble. I'm glad I did.
I had my finger on it, but I didn't get it.
I grabbed mine. Dude, are you freaking kidding?
I got out the groove.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. But there's oil on the track. So
And so when it went over there,
I'm not sure if it come out the car or what.
all right. If you got it in your own stuff. God, though. This sucks. Well, guys, that wraps up the video for today. That crash, it oiled down the track, and it was late, so that was going to be the last pass. But Bryan's car is destroyed. You can see he was okay. He's sore, minor injuries.
collarbone, shoulder, and had a couple cuts on him. But luckily, the car did its job and it kept him safe. We also set up a GoFundMe account. The link is in the description below. If you guys are interested, if y'all have a little bit of spare change and y'all want to contribute to help him build this car back if it's salvageable or start on another project, we would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks. We'll see y'all soon.